Hi, and welcome to a series of videos I'm creating to better emphasize sampling techniques in this Math 153 class. So I'm going to use NFL data for the National Football League to illustrate several different sampling techniques. Our overall task for this is that we want to survey NFL players about their opinion on chronic traumatic encephalopathy, and that's CTE for short, and it is a degenerative brain condition thought to be linked to repeated head injuries and blows to the head. So given our football players' jobs and what they go through, I would imagine they might have varied opinions about this brain condition. So our aim is to interview the league and see what they think. So the National Football League has over 2,500 players any given season. And really, honestly, there's no need to survey them all. We can actually select a sample of players that are representative of the whole league. So I want to kind of emphasize the two levels we have here. We have the population, which is all players as of August 2022. That's when I got this data from the World Wide Web. And we're going to then select a sample of 250 players. So a much smaller collection of players in the sample. Now, we're going to do this in various different ways. The first thing I want to show you is how to select what's called a random sample. And so we're going to do this in StatCrunch. This probably is going to be your first look at StatCrunch for the course. So I'm just going to walk you through it. I'm not intending for you guys to do this actually in the course, but I am using StatCrunch to illustrate things. I think it might be helpful to see how some of this is done. So without further delay, we're going to go to StatCrunch and we're going to open up a data set called NFL Rosters 2022. All right, here we are at the StatCrunch dashboard. And so I can either click on this big yellow button and open up a blank spreadsheet in StatCrunch, but I want to open up some preloaded data. So I'm going to go to Data Sets here on the dashboard. And mind you, I am logged in. If you look up here on the right, I am logged in as myself here. One would need to be logged in to work with the data. And you will purchase yourself a StatCrunch subscription for the course, only $15. So we're going to type in NFL Rosters 2022. That's what the data is called. And if we scroll down, we can see there's only one data set by that very name. It's mine. I'm going to open it up. And we have a spreadsheet. Very typical way data is stored in this modern day of working with statistics. And we can see if I scroll all the way down to the bottom, there are indeed 2,548 players. As I mentioned, that's our population. And across the top, as I'm scrolling up, you can see different things that are on the general rosters of NFL teams. Their name, their jersey number, height and weight, the position they play, etc., where they went to college, and different things like that. So I want to come in here and generate a random sample. I want the computer to randomly select 250 players from this list, and I want it to do it in a way that's not biased, and computers are great at doing this. And so let's see. To have StatCrunch do it, we will click on Data. That's one of the menu options up here, Sample. And so I'm going to grab the player's name and select it. And also, I don't need things like their age and stuff. I'm going to grab their team name, since I'm not super familiar with all the players. I'm holding the Control key down, and that allows me to select another variable to join this one. And I'm going to choose a sample size of 250, as I mentioned. And just one sample is all I need. So that's the size of the sample, one single sample of 250 players. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and ask StatCrunch to store this in a new data table. So I'll hit compute, and if you notice, another tab just popped up, and it's called Sampled from NFL Rosters 2022. So it's sampled, let's see, indeed, 250 players from the original population we had. So now I have their name, their team they play on, and I would get to the task now of contacting these 250 players, requesting their participation in this survey. And that is random sampling.